Hey everyone, Microsoft OneNote is much more than a digital notebook. It's a powerful tool for capturing ideas, meeting notes, study materials, and daily tasks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take notes efficiently in OneNote and use a few simple features to keep everything organized. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and sign in if needed. Select an existing notebook in Section, then open a page where you want to write your notes. If you don't have a page yet, create a new one before continuing. OneNote gives you the freedom to click almost anywhere on the page and begin typing. Unlike a traditional word processor, your notes are placed inside movable note containers, making it easy to organize information however you like. To make your notes easier to read, use the formatting tools on the Home tab. You can apply headings, bold text, bullet lists, numbered lists, highlights, and different font styles to organize important information. Your notes don't have to be just text. You can insert pictures, tables, links, files, audio recordings, or even drawings to create richer and more useful notes. Simply open the Insert tab and choose the content you want to add. To make important information stand out, use OneNote's built-in tags. You can mark tasks, important reminders, or questions with just a few clicks. Yeah, these tags make it much easier to search and review your notes later. The best part is that OneNote saves your work automatically while you type. So if you're signed in with your Microsoft account, your notes are also synced across your devices, making it easy to continue wherever you left off. I mean, that's one of the biggest advantages of using OneNote, and that's how to take notes in Microsoft OneNote. With just a few simple tools, you can create organized, searchable, and professional-looking notes for work, school, or personal use. If this guide helped you, be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.